Welcome to Matthew's toy review. What are we going to do now?
Go in our house.
What?
You see?
No, we're going to
Ryan.
bake a pizza. Yes, you open your toys. Come on.
Okay.
We're going to make a pizza. What is that? There's your pizza. Come on, you do it. You do it.
Eat it.
It's okay.
Okay, a pizza.
So how can you make pizza? Do we have an oven?
Yes.
Where's our oven? There's your pizza.
Wow.
Wow.
That's great.
Yes.
And I have a silver hot dog.
There. Do we have a plate?
Yes. This is a plate.
Here's my plate.
Here's my plate and other one.
I have a biscuit here. What else?
I'm a have a cookie.
You also have a cookie? Wow, that's a yummy cookie. Oh, you have now your hot dog. You have a hot dog and a cookie. 2 cookies. Wow, that's nice. Me, I want to have a slice of pizza. Let's slice the pizza now. Let's slice the pizza. Let's slice. No, not like that. Don't slice the pizza like that. This is our slicer. Here, the saw. No, you fix it. Here's our slicer. Wait up. Okay, you slice a pizza and you give a pizza for me. You give me 1 slice. You put it on my plate.
Okay.
There you go. You also put one on your plate too.
Okay.
Go. I'll give you a pizza. There. There. Let's eat pizza. Cheers. 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 Nom, 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 nom. Yummy pizza. This is a yummy pizza.
Sa baba tayo mag-eat.
I'll eat the cookies. Cheers for the cookies. Nom, 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 nom. Yum. So, what else do we have? We have a spaghetti. Wow, we have a spaghetti. Eat your spaghetti now. That's a yummy spaghetti.
I am so
You're so full.
I'm so full.
Yes, me too. Thank you for the pizza. Bye.
Hey.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.